Varun Engineers, ISO 9001-2015 certified company, IATF 16949-2016 certified company. Ever since our inception in the year 2005, they have been concerned in providing the most reliable and consistent services to the clients.
Hi, I am Ashok Hegde, Director of Varun Engineers. We are situated at W150 S Block, MRDC, Bosri, Pune, Maharashtra State.
Varun Engineers have tool room and production machine shops with VMC, CNC turning, CNC wire cutting, spark erosions, surface grinding, and milling machine tool room with all technical and design facilities. Varun Engineers is dedicated to customer satisfaction to continuous improvement. We are in business to satisfy our customer by delivering production on time with quality to meet their needs and expectation. Varun Engineers having following machines: VMC Kinematics 1060, Sandsmake CNC turning machine, heavy duty CNC turning machine, LMW CNC turning machine, CNC wire cut EDM machine, universal milling machine, M1TR drilling and boring machine, 12 feet turning lathe machine, 4.5 feet turning lathe machine, 7.5 feet turning lathe machine, tapping machine, marking machine, pipe center lathe machine. Varun Engineers has plant and inspection setup also. Varun Engineers has following esteemed customers: Mahindra & Mahindra Limited, Nagpur, Kotkar Dynamic Energy System Private Limited, Seamless Autotech Private Limited, Volkswagen Chakan, ZF Steering Gear India Private Limited, Sakshi Machines and Tools Private Limited, Kehenfai Private Limited, Chakan. If you have any critical task, then please contact us. We would like to contribute in your growth and success. Please visit our website or you can call on the given number.